Here we are, Muffin. You ready to go in? Yeah? Okay.
Okay, here's the poly car.
One face near top right edge.
Now find the steps.
Well, come up here.
Okay, I
Push.
found the steps.
Muffin.
Okay.
See, all you have to do is push this doorbell. No, you don't want to tonight.
Muffin's like, meh.
See, you just push on this button here. And then you pull it open. There you go.
Okay, thank you. Okay.
Now, can you jump up there, Muffin?
Okay, so now to get in the house. Okay.
Stop recording video. Pause video. Stop recording. Stop recording video. Speech off.
Ready to go in, Muffin? Yeah? I gotta get closer? Yeah, okay. How much? Right here? Yeah, okay. Ready, Muffin?